Hi everybody, I'm JT and welcome to another video from me here at Campervan Journey. There, good girl. So whilst our California beach hasn't got a cooker, we've got everything we need for our Bacon Baps. We've got our ridge monkey and our little stove. So let's get it set up and we can get sizzling. So in this video we take another trip out with our camper van and enjoy the great benefit of just being able to park up, cook up our lunch and have a great trip out. Honey's not very well behaved around other people's picnics, so we're going to leave her in the crate so she doesn't get tempted to enjoy our sandwiches. Table all set up, get the stove all set up, our little camping gas stove for a bacon sandwich emergency. Ridge monkey out.
She's going to save some later for bacon.
I'll have some of that, she said. Okay, so peel here. So there's nothing better than a bacon sandwich al fresco, and Ridge Monkey does a great job. So we'll sizzle up the bacon, we've got our rolls, some ketchup, and just keep the dog under control. Having 3 kids, the normal California layout with a kitchen built in doesn't really work for us, but if you get the right kit you can still enjoy being able to just pitch up, set up and cook a little meal, great bacon sandwich, make a cup of tea, just need the right kit with you. So really cheap and cheerful stove, £20 stove, Ridge Monkey, and obviously the table that comes with the van. Getting your chairs out. You have to just, no, you've got to lift the clip, that's it. Lift the clip, slide it out. That's it. It's German, remember? It's designed to work. I'll have one, yeah. Nice and crispy. So we've had a lovely little impromptu picnic and just packing up, and we can get on with the rest of our day. Pop everything back in the van, barbecue back in its box, table back in the side of the van. All done. Nice picnic, honey. Where was my bacon? Maybe next time. So thanks very much for watching another video from me here at Campervan Journey. If you enjoy the videos I'm making, please remember to click the button to like and subscribe and share with lots of other people so we can all enjoy our Campervan journey. Thanks for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next video.